Imagine waking up 5 years from today with a $0 mortgage balance while your neighbors are still stuck in year 25 of their 30-year loan. Most people think the only way to pay off a house early is to live on bread and water, but the wealthiest homeowners are using a HELOC strategy to cancel hundreds of thousands in interest without changing their lifestyle. Instead of sending every extra penny into a traditional 30-year interest-heavy mortgage, you can replace your primary loan with a home equity line of credit. Think of a HELOC like a giant credit card secured by your home, but with one massive advantage. Interest is calculated on the daily average balance. In 2026, where cash flow is king, this strategy allows you to use your entire paycheck to drive down your principal balance every single day. When your income sits in the HELOC, it lowers the interest you owe instantly. Then you simply pay your monthly bills out of that same line of credit. Because your money is working against the debt for 29 days of the month, you end up shaving decades off your loan term. While your bank wants you to stay in a 30-year trap, this velocity banking method turns the math in your favor, allowing you to build massive equity at a speed that traditional payments can't touch. If you're ready to stop being a slave to bank interest and want to see the exact math for your zip code, hit that like button and subscribe. Comment math below if you want my custom calculator to see how fast you can hit zero.